Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Kemono party which is not updating. To fix that issue, all you have to do is open your web browser and click on this extension button on the top right corner. Click on manage extension, and then from here you have to completely delete the Kemono extended or the Kemono party extension from your browser. I will select the three-dotted button and click on remove. So once you remove the extension, all you have to do is go to your Windows search and type uninstall and tap on add or remove programs. A new window will open. From here you have to search Kemono party and then you have to uninstall the Kemono party. Once you've done that, then all you have to do is go to this website called chan.kemono.party. Once the website has been loaded, you have to check if there are some issues which are resolving or not. For example, it says maintenance and site works notices. Once all of the problems have been solved, then your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix your Kemono party not updating. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.